What is the meaning of Banshee? Have you ever heard of the Banshee? This fascinating figure is woven into the fabric of Irish culture and folklore. The term Banshee comes from the Irish language, specifically the phrase Banshee, which translates to woman of the fairies or woman of the fairy mounds. These mounds, known as síde, are ancient burial sites found throughout Ireland. In Irish mythology, the Banshee is often depicted as a female spirit. She is known for her haunting wail or song, which is said to signal the impending death of a family member. This mournful sound, often described as a shriek or keen, serves as a warning to those who hear it. The Banshee's presence is particularly associated with families of pure Irish descent, where she is believed to foretell the death of someone close. As you travel through Ireland, you might come across stories linking specific families to their own Banshee. For instance, families like the O'Neills or O'Connors are said to have their unique Banshee, who appears only to them. Rather than being seen as a malevolent spirit, the Banshee is often viewed as a guardian or protector. She attempts to warn family members of impending danger, making her role more of a protective figure than a frightening one. The appearance of the Banshee can vary widely. Some describe her as an old woman with long white hair, while others envision her as a beautiful young woman shrouded in white. Despite her eerie reputation, the Banshee symbolizes a connection between the living and the dead, reflecting the deep cultural beliefs surrounding death in Irish society. As you immerse yourself in the rich history of Ireland, the legend of the Banshee adds a layer of intrigue and mystery. Whether you believe in the supernatural or not, the story of the Banshee is an essential part of Irish folklore. It highlights the country's traditions and the way people have historically viewed life and death. So, as you wander through the enchanting landscapes of Ireland, keep an ear out for the tales of the Banshee. They might just add a new dimension to your understanding of Irish culture.